earnings. The following extract is from the statement of profit or loss of ABC Co. for the year ended 30 April 2027. Profit before tax, $17,000. Tax, minus $8,000. Profit before tax, $17,000. Tax, minus $8,000. Profit for the year, $9,000. In addition to the profit above, 1. ABC Co. paid a dividend of $5,250 during the year. 2. A gain on revaluation of land resulted in a surplus of $4,500. What total amount will be added to retained earnings at the end of the financial year? Answer. Profit for year, $9,000. Dividend, $5,250. Added to retained earnings, $3,750.